In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YNAB. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the hub where you can find and download a multitude of apps, including YNAB. It's usually represented by a colorful triangle icon on your home screen or app list. Once you have the Google Play Store open, tap on the search bar. The search bar is at the top of the screen, and tapping it will activate your device's keyboard. Now, this is where you can enter the name of the app you're looking for. Type YNAB into the search bar. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, a powerful tool for managing your finances. Typing the name ensures you find the exact app you're looking for, cutting through the noise of similar apps. After typing YNAB, select YNAB Budgeting and Finance from the list of results. This step is crucial because it ensures you're selecting the official app, safeguarding you from less secure or unofficial versions. With YNAB Budgeting and Finance selected, tap Install. This is where the magic begins. By tapping Install, you're initiating the download and installation process. This is important because it sets up the app on your device, making it ready for use. Now wait for the download to finish. This step might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Be patient, as this ensures the app is fully and correctly installed on your device. A complete download means the app will function smoothly without any hitches. Once the download is complete, tap Open. This action launches the app for the first time, bringing you one step closer to managing your budget effortlessly. At this point, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will guide you through its setup process, likely starting with account creation or sign-in. This is where the app personalizes your experience, tailoring it to your financial needs. Remember, following these instructions carefully is key to getting started with YNAB. The app may prompt you for permissions or additional settings. Allow these to ensure full functionality. These permissions help the app integrate smoothly with your device's features. Now that you have the app open, you can start exploring its many features. YNAB is designed to help you take control of your finances, offering you clarity and confidence. This step is where you begin to see the true value of the app. With that ready, keep in mind how each feature is designed to enhance your budgeting experience. Whether it's tracking expenses, setting goals, or planning for the future, YNAB helps you make informed financial decisions. As you navigate through the app, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use YNAB, the more comfortable you will become with its interface and tools. By now, you've successfully downloaded and opened YNAB, and you're on your way to mastering your budget. Congratulations on taking this step towards financial empowerment. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Enjoy your journey to better budgeting with YNAB.